Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca, and if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. Today I have a little review for you guys. I am going to be reviewing Just4Kira colored contacts. I want to give a big shout out to Just4Kira for sending me 2 sets of colored contacts. They sent me the color SL70 brown and also the color Bloom Blue. So I have like a light brown set and a light blue set. I think they're going to be really pretty. The packaging is really cute. I really like it. The packaging is always something that I look for in products, and it's always like a first impression. I did open them already because the instructions, it actually says to soak the contact lenses for 6 to 8 hours in multi-purpose lens solution before the first time use. So I let them soak for about 8 hours last night. They should be good to wear now. I did use this BioTrue contact lens solution. There's all different brands. You can use whatever works best for you. Also came with these cute little contact cases. And let me just open it up to show you guys. It actually comes with like a little tweezer type thing, which is really cute. And then I actually have always wanted to try this thing. This is like something to help you put in and take out contacts. It has like a little suction thing. I think that's really cool. I've always wanted to try one of those. Right now I have short nails, so it doesn't matter, but when I had like really long nails, it was always so hard to get my contacts in and out. Right now I am wearing my normal contacts. They are not colored, they're just my prescription contacts. Obviously, if you have a prescription and you wear like normal contacts, you just enter your information like of your prescription and it will come with your prescription. So I think that's really cool. So let's get into this video and try on these contacts. I will try on the brown first. As you can see, I do have brown eyes, but they are very dark. Not really a big fan of my eye color. I've always wanted colored eyes, like ever since I was younger. Like I always wanted blue. I think I've always wanted blue the most, but green, like I'll take any color besides this color. Like, okay, so I'm actually going to go ahead and use my finger to put this one in, and maybe I'll try and use, first I'm going to sanitize it, but I'll try and use this. Like I said, I've never tried using these things, so we'll see, but I know I can do it like this, so. Okay, that is beautiful. What the heck? Guys, look at how pretty I would look. Hold on, let me put the other one in. So I have the brown ones in. I tried using this thing, but I don't know. I don't think, maybe I wasn't using it right. I don't know, but I put them in with my fingers because that's how I always put my contacts in. And I am loving this color. I think it looks so good. I feel so pretty. Sorry, I have a mirror here, so I'm just like staring at myself. But these contacts feel very nice. They feel just like my normal prescription contacts. I can see, so that's good. Yeah, I really like this color, so I think it looks really good on me. And it looks very natural as well. I do have a discount code for you guys for Just4Kira. I will put it right here so you guys can use it. It's 20% off, so you do not want to miss it. that is a very good deal. And these contacts are very affordable as well. They're much cheaper than, you know, normal prescription contacts, obviously, because those ones are very expensive. I spend a lot of money on my normal prescription contacts. Move it! Get down! Get down! Oh my god. I am sorry about that, guys. But I really like these contacts. They feel very nice. They look good. I can see. I don't have any complaints about these. So let's go ahead and try the blue ones on now. Let me show you guys how I take these out. Want to make sure your hands are clean. That's another thing I forgot to say. You always want to make sure you wash your hands really good with soap and water before touching your eyes at all, or before even touching the contacts. You do not want germs in your eyes. That could cause infection, and it could just be a bad thing. So always wash your hands. My hands are clean, so we can just go ahead and remove these. I actually just use one hand. I'll use like my middle finger here, pull my the bottom of my eye down, and just go like that. Very easy. The first time I tried wearing contacts, it was so hard for me. It took me a while to get the hang of it, but I'm like a pro now. Oh my god, I look so pretty. Okay, so I might actually like these better than the brown. Like, I thought the brown looked really good, but oh my god, it's so pretty. I can see very clear. They're very soft, very nice. I think I might actually like this color better than the brown. I really love them both. I think I look so good with both of them. But I don't know, man. I feel so pretty with these. I love the color. It's like the perfect baby blue eyes. I feel like they look pretty natural as well. What do you guys think? Does it look natural? Does it look like I was born with pretty blue eyes? These contacts did come with instructions, as I said earlier. I really like these. I think they're so pretty. They feel very good on my eyes. The prescription is perfect. I can see. I have no complaints here. I'll definitely be wearing these. Like, it's kind of sad, but I'll probably be wearing both of these colors like all the time now. Like, honestly, I could probably like throw my normal contacts away. I won't do that, but it's gonna be hard to like not wear these, like, because I just love them. Like I said, I got Bloom Blue. They have so many different colors to choose from. They have green colors, blue, brown, and like they have so many of like brown. Like, there's all different types of brown you can choose from, all different types of blues. I just went with these. I think these were like one of the lightest blue, like vibrant light blue, so that's why I went with that. And then the brown was called SL70 brown. So I really like these contacts. I'll definitely be buying more colors. I would love to try green, like a hazel. I think that would look really pretty on me as well. They are beautiful, and I highly recommend go checking out Just4Kira. You can go to Just4Kira.com. This is how you spell it. Like I said, they are very affordable, and I do have my discount code for you guys that you can save 20%. So go ahead and use that if you decide to buy these contacts. They have so many different colors to pick from. You can enter in your prescription if you are blind like me. Another tip I have for taking these out, I do, well, of course, wash your hands, make sure they're clean, and then I do dip my finger in the solution just a little bit so it's like wet, a little wet, and then it just makes it easier to take them out, especially when if I was like wearing them for a very long time, my eyes do get dry, so having your finger wet a little bit does help it come out for sure. So I wanted to be extra and close out this video wearing both of them. Honestly, I might actually like go out places like this. It'll definitely get people's attention, like, oh my, that girl's eyes are pretty. Now that I'm actually wearing them together, I don't know which one I like, honestly. I have no idea. Please comment down below and tell me which one I look better in or which one you like better. I have no idea. Like, I honestly love them both. These contacts are literally amazing. They're beautiful. They feel good. Highly recommend. Go get yourself some colored contacts. They're very affordable, especially if you use my discount code. You will be saving a lot of money. So go ahead and try them out. Tell me how you like them. I definitely like them. So far, so good. Also, before I forget, they do have other special deals. They have buy 2 get 1 free, buy 3 get 2 free, or buy 4 get 3 free. So I will have the links in the description box below for all of those. That is it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really hope you guys order these contacts and try them out. They are really nice, and I'm so happy that Just4Kira sent me these. I do have a lot of more products to try out and review for you guys, so you're not going to want to miss it. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.